Bitcoin is currently trading around $91,700. And today we're going to break down exactly what this price action means. We'll analyze it technically, structurally, and from a market movement perspective so you can stay ahead. If you want daily, clear, and professional Bitcoin updates, make sure you hit the subscribe button because this breakdown is going to give you everything you need. Let's start with the chart. Right now, Bitcoin is holding firmly above the 90,000 support zone. This area is incredibly important because it serves as both a psychological barrier and a structural pivot level. Every time Bitcoin has dipped toward this zone, buyers have stepped in aggressively, showing us that demand is still very strong. The recent price action shows a clean bounce from the intraday low, and the recovery back above 91,000 signals that sellers are losing momentum. The RSI and momentum indicators confirm the same story. Downward pressure is fading, and the market is resetting for its next move. Now let's talk about market movement. The dip we saw earlier was not a breakdown. It was simple liquidity hunting. Large players triggered stop-loss clusters below recent lows, absorbed that liquidity, and pushed the price back up. This is a classic bull market behavior. Shake out weak hands, accumulate, and prepare for the next leg upward. As long as Bitcoin stays above the 90,000 area, the higher-low structure remains intact, which keeps the bullish trend alive. If price breaks above 92.5, we could see momentum accelerate fast. That level is packed with liquidity, and once it's breached, Bitcoin can move smoothly toward 95,000. The most important support zone right now is between 90,000 and 89,000. This is where buyers are consistently stepping in. Below that, deeper support sits at 85 to 87,000. But that level only becomes relevant if the current structure breaks, and so far, it hasn't. On the upside, resistance is clear, 92.5, then 95, and eventually the psychological barrier at 100,000. Each of these levels carries liquidity from long positions, short positions, and institutional orders. From a macro perspective, the US dollar has been stabilizing, which removes some pressure from Bitcoin. At the same time, on-chain data shows coins being moved off exchanges into cold wallets, a sign that long-term holders and large investors are accumulating rather than selling. This supports the bullish narrative and reinforces the idea that the current price area is a preparation phase, not a decline phase. Here's the bottom line. Bitcoin is holding strong, buyer activity is healthy, and the technical structure remains bullish as long as the 90,000 level holds. If the market breaks above 92.5 thousand, expect a move into the mid-90,000 range very quickly. But if support breaks,